Welcome back to the channel. I'm just out trying to start up my son's Celica. I've been standing all over the winter. So now we charge it. And we're going to see here the ice are starting to give up. The spring is coming. Let's see if I can put on the charger on some of the other cars, but let's see if we can start with this. Yeah, this car has been standing the whole winter. We started up now and need to go into a control and things. If I get time this year, maybe I have to start looking at this LS400 again. I'm also going to check up something on the transmission on the Pontiac. So standing waiting, the ES250. Not sure if we're going to do something with this year. I need to make garage place because paint is starting to let go, so it needs a paint job. Also some other places leaking. The ES400 and the 450 I'm getting some more service jobs and things fixed. Some squeaking noise in the back here and things. So that's going to get done. Out here, it's a lot of things. The Soarer, I'm not sure. I'm going to take it out and test drive it at least, so it gets moved a little. The other RX400 hybrid. Going to see if I can weld up something on this for the rust in the back. Soon now, maybe hopefully in the weekend. The ground have gone down so much after stop freezing that I can get in the Land Cruiser, hopefully, and start. The Land Cruiser had the problem so long and it's been standing for so long, so it's a lot of things that have to be gone through. So I just have to start in the engine bay and take things apart and start doing things. You can just go and see on the rest here now when we are here. My friend's Jaguar XJ12 that he left here. I have to take a serious talk with him what we should do. The transporter car is filled up with stuff. The electric Golf, I really would like to fix that car again. It's a good car. I really need to do something, and this needs a new battery. But I don't have lifting equipment to do it myself. So, and this Land Cruiser, the 60 series, yeah, rusty, very rusty, and the starter engine is stolen and everything, but kind of crazy, but I haven't given it up. Here's a part of a tree that I had to cut down. I had to cut down more trees. And this year I have a big hope that I can take out some of my old Celicas, because this is a 77 Liftback. Hope I can take it out and weld up some things that needed welding, and maybe get a friend to help me paint it. That would have been nice. Otherwise, the Range Rover is going out from the garage. I have fixed some, but it's too little space to work in the back end of it in there. and I was supposed to make a little easy video for you guys, but some screws was just tearing right off, so I get a little more messed up. But I got to change the lettering in the front and things. So that is coming back. A lot of wheels. I have to start changing from winter tires to summer tires on the RXs and the Camry that my son uses. We have to decide what we're going to do with the things on his Celica. If we're going to get it through control and fix it so he can drive it and do the rest later, or what we do, I'm not sure. So he had to be in there deciding it now. He's old enough. So, and then the S-Class. The S-Class, I have got the parts. Should have been painted before I put them on, but maybe I should. If I manage to fix the Land Cruiser, not to take too much time, then maybe I should have looked at the S-Class or the Cayenne, I'm not sure. CLK I have different, I should be fixing up on selling, because I have some other ideas about some other projects. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Yeah, but go in and see what I have on the videos. What is 830 videos, I think, with this one, or is it more? I missed, I'm not sure anymore, but hopefully soon it's going to be more. I have to go back and see if it starts to heat up the Celica. $278,000 kilometers. What is it? 2000 model, and it needs yeah, this engine have problems. There's nothing else to say. They use a lot of oil. I just have to try to dry off the car. But please start subscribing, please put some comments and things, and we're trying to do more. Let's put down a little. I have this 112 or 113 videos about the Land Cruiser, about the Lexus RX series. What is 40 videos or something, or even more? The other Lexuses, the Pontiac have something, it just started, and yeah, it's going to be a lot more, and a lot of car meets and a lot of things. So please go in and see what I have. A lot of the Camrys, yeah, but I have many projects standing. I have some updates video from many years back. Yeah, I have a lot. Please put in comment, please give idea what to do and things like that. So thank you. It's nice to see you guys coming by here. Thank you. Please come back, please put a like, and please subscribe and put comments. Of course, put comments. Thank you.